Next, cos power. This IMN formula equal to first formula, first term m minus 1 by m plus n. Remember the first term in n minus 1 by n, imn m minus 1 by m plus n. Next, m minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, m minus 5 by m plus n minus 4, etc. Finally, you get 1 by r, 2 by, stop that step, 1 by or 2 by. Write in that case I 0n or I1n. ఇలా రాసుకుంటూ వచ్చినట్లయితే మనకు చివరిలో 1 by అని వస్తుంది, 2 by అని వస్తుంది, 1 by 2 by. అందరితో ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఆపేసేయాలి. ఆపేసి I write I0n or I1n. How to decide I0n, I1n? That is depend on m value. That is depend on m value. Suppose m is even 4, 2, 0, I0n. Suppose m value odd 5, 3, 1. We write I1n. I0n, I1n. Depend on m value. Depend on, remember that point. I0n, I1n. Depend on only m value. M is even, we get last 0, I0n. M is odd, we get I1, I1n. I1n formula 1 by 1 plus n. Add these two numbers, 1 by 1 plus n. Suppose you get I0n, we apply this formula I0n, n minus 1 by n, etc. So IMN has two steps. Now first step, m minus 1 by m plus n, decrease 2 in the numerator and denominator. Stop, you get 1 by or 2 by. In that case, you write I0n or I1n. That is depend on m value. Suppose m is even, we get finally 0. Write I0n. Suppose m is odd, we get finally 1. So I1n. Suppose you get I1n, answer is add these two numbers, 1 by 1 plus n. Suppose you get I0n, we apply this formula. So today's problems depend on only these three formulas. Write down sin power 4x dx, 3 by I4, 3 by 4. This is n minus 1 by n term. Decrease 2 in both numerator and denominator, 1 by 2. When you get 1 by 2, write pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 10x dx, 9 by 10, 9 by 10. This is I10, 9 by 10, n minus 1 by n, 7 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 11x dx, 11x dx, I11 sin power n cos power n, both have the same formula. 10 by 11 n minus 1 by n, 8 by 9, 6 by 7, 4 by 5, 2 by 3, 1. When you get to final last 1 by 2, write pi by 2. When you get to last 2 by 3, write 1. Power 4x dx. We want a 0 to pi by 2. Formula when we apply when limits are in 0 to pi by 2. All of you listen. But given minus 2 pi to 2 pi. So first apply minus a to a formula. Minus a to a formula. F of x equal to cos power 4x, f of minus x, cos power minus x, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So we get plus cos power 4x. So we write this one as a 2 into 0 to a. So first step 2 into 0 to a, we get a 0. There is 2 pi. 2 pi by 2. We want a pi by 2 limit. But there is 2 pi. So first convert 2 pi into pi. Of that one, pi to pi by 2. For this one, we apply this condition 0 to 2a, f of upper limit minus x, upper limit minus x. Suppose you get plus fx, 2 into 0 to a. Suppose you get minus fx, answer directly write 0. There is one technical point. Power is 4. 4 means even number. Suppose you get minus in this place, minus power any even number equal to plus. So when there is a power n value even, always you get only plus symbol. Remember that one. When there is even number, always you get only plus fx. Only plus fx. Suppose you get minus in the formula. Minus power any even number equal to plus. So this is right as a see 2 into 0 to pi. 2 pi becomes 2 pi. We apply this formula 0 to 2a, f of x dx, 2 into 0 to a. We get plus of x. So write like this one 2 into 0 to a, 2 into 0 to a, 2a becomes 2a. Next again 2 into 2, 0 to pi by 2. 2 pi becomes 2 pi. Pi becomes 2 pi by 2. Cos power 4x dx. So you get a 0 to pi by 2 limits in this stage. So 8 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. This is n minus 1 by n. N minus 1 by n decrease to 1 by 2. When you get 1 by 2, write pi by 2. So this is the sequence. First given minus a to a. So first apply minus a to a conditions. 2 into 0 to 2 pi. This 2 is this one. Next 2 pi becomes 2 pi. We get another 2. Pi becomes 2 pi by 2. We get another 2. Suppose there is an odd number. Listen carefully. Suppose in this place there is an odd number. We must check each and every step. This stage, this stage, this stage. We check all the 3 stages. మనకు అక్కడ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉన్నట్లయితే 100% ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ స్టెప్ కూడా చెక్ చేసుకోవాల్సిందే. అదే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఎందుకంటే మైనస్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవ్వదు. ఇక్కడ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే మాత్రము ప్రతి స్టేజ్లో చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి. అలా చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తే కొన్ని చోట్ల ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. అదే ప్రాబ్లం కొన్ని చోట్ల మైనస్ కూడా వస్తుంది. ఆ మైనస్ వచ్చిన చోట 0 పెట్టేసుకుంటాం ఆ స్టెప్లో. కాబట్టి ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే మాత్రము 100% చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే మాత్రము డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇలా ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ 2 into 0 to 2 pi. ఇక్కడ 2 pi పైగా మార్చాం, ఎక్స్ట్రా 2 pi by 2గా మార్చాం, ఎక్స్ట్రా 2. 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. This is I4. 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4. So n minus 1 by n, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. This is the answer. 8 cancel. 3 pi by 2. Write down. Cos power 4x dx. Cos power 4x dx. And fourth Roman, IMN formula. 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x cos power 4x dx. Second problem, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power. Fourth problem, sin power 5x cos power 4x dx. First listen, all of you. First listen. This is I4. Limits clearly given. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. So you directly apply IMN formula. Listen. 3 by 8. This is m minus 1 by m plus n. Reduce 2 in both numerator and denominator. పైన కింద 2 తగ్గించుకుంటూ రండి. 1 వచ్చినా ఆపేసేయండి. న్యూమరేటర్లో 1 or 2. 1 వచ్చినా ఆపేసేయండి, 2 వచ్చినా ఆపేసేయండి. See 1 by 6. 1 by 6. This is m minus 1 by m plus n. m minus 1 by m plus n. 2 reduce చేయండి, 2 by 7. So when you get 1 or 2, we write either I0n or I1n. That is depend on m value. See in this problem, m value 4, next 2, next 0. So you write I0n n value 4, n value 4. In this case, m value is 5, m value 5. In the second problem, 5, 3, 1, I, 1, n, I, 1, n. I0n, I1n depend on only m value. Next, 4 by 9, 2 by 7, 1 by 1 plus 4. We apply this formula 1 by 1 plus n, 1 by 1 plus n. ఇది ఫార్ములా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తే 3 by 8, 1 by 6, n formula 3 by 4, n minus 1 by n, 1 by 2. When you get 1 by 2, write pi by 2. This is the final answer. This is the final answer for this problem. First, m minus 1 by m plus n, m minus 1 by m plus 1, 2 తగ్గించేసేయండి, 1 by or 2 by అంతా ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. I0n కానీ I1n కానీ రాయాలి. డిపెండ్ ఆన్ m వాల్యూ ఈవెన్ I0m, I0n, m వాల్యూ ఆడ్ I1n, I1n. Directly add these two numbers, 1 plus 4. Suppose you get I0 minus x cos of upper limit minus x sin 180 minus theta equal to sin theta cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta whole cube. So sin power 4x minus cube equal to minus cos cube x. So this is a minus of x. Same problem repeated in this place, repeated with the minus. So right answer directly 0.